Trey, how's her boat looking?
Oh, brilliant, man. Beauty.
I guess they say a good looking boat's a fast boat, so yeah, she's a good looking boat.
We're quite early on the yacht this morning.
Yeah, we're getting ready for dock out. We're gonna splash down today. So, yeah, we're just here doing the last minute checks, making sure our areas are good, and yeah, we're gonna roll out the good ship, Canada. So yeah, big day today.
I think we don't have heaps of time. We got 1 hour until rollout, so I think everybody check your areas, Billy, clean your foils, stuff like that.
Today we're getting all ready to roll out our new boat right now, and just getting all the final checks finished before we can take her out for a spin. Very excited.
What are you doing right now, Tim?
What am I doing? I'm checking the gears. And then you check on the teeth. You can kind of, sometimes you can see these edges will get sharp, or these edges up here
We'll get sharp.
Yeah.
You don't want them sharp?
No, because it means they're loaded. They're not flat.
Everything's good?
Yeah, except there's grease in all the poles.
On the poles? So those are the biggest.
Biggest.
So we'll probably have to change them to the D's.
Assuming if it's really light, maybe it'll be okay.
We can try it out.
One is free spinning one direction, the other teeth click, and the other one free spins out. 2-speed winch.
We won't have any problem now.
It's all sweet. It's all good. Happy days. So basically the new generation boats will have different software from the old ones. And so this is the first time this boat gets the updates. And so there'll be a little bit of teething for us to get it all figured out. But we have the glorious tech team to help us and do most of the work. So we'll be all sweet.
Do you have any tip for our team?
Just go through the checks, be methodical, always check the comms first. Yeah, just take it slowly and build yourself up.
You heard that, boys? From the best.
From the best.
A little bit of a different pedestal system on this boat and different winch base, but besides that, all the boats are pretty much identical. So it's very similar. It's going to be an easy crossover, and yeah, we're just getting ready to put the new hardware in the wing, and hopefully it communicates properly with the boat. And that's yeah, that'll be us. We're out sailing.
Well, I don't know all the intricacies of the software, electronics, hydraulics of the boat. I'm mostly just the sailor. So
More of a button presser.
I press some buttons. So I suppose some functions could go wrong, but how that's fixed, I'm not sure. But when you put a boat in the water for the first time, there's bound to be a couple hiccups. Should do all the calibrations on the mooring and hopefully all go smoothly, and we'll be out sailing shortly.
It's all pretty new to us, so we're massively learning every day.
Boat's getting rolled out to the crane, shed to crane, wings going on, boat's going in the water on the mooring, system checks on the mooring. We get changed, go sailing. It's gonna be an epic day.
Branding looks awesome, and I think we're all excited to see her fly for the first time.
So far, so good. She's up. She's looking beautiful. Ready to go. Have a good day of sailing. Can't wait. Can't wait.
It's very time efficient.
Are you happy with the situation, Mr. Fletch?
I'm very happy with the situation.
Not bad, eh? Not bad. What a beauty. I guess they say a good looking boat's a fast boat, so yeah, she's a good looking boat. I think fast is probably an understatement. She's looking quite rapid, that's for sure.
Very fast looking boat.
Trey, how's our boat looking?
Oh, brilliant, man. Beauty. It's beautiful.
That's good.
Nice to see it all come together. We've been sailing on the Swiss boat for the past few days, but Fletch and the tech team guys have worked bloody hard to get our boat ready to go. So today we're sailing our boat for the first time, and it's amazing when it's your machinery that you get to use.
And are the Swiss using our machinery today?
And the Swiss are using our machinery today. So hopefully everything stays in one piece, and we'll have a good day of yachting.
Want your radio?
Check far side for me.
I'm just pointing the camera at you, Isabella,
I know.
until you say something cool.
I felt like she could sense it.
I think it's nice that you got